Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. It is especially this section of answering questions is for parents with the children on the autism spectrum and other developmental delays. So I had put a link on Telegram channel to ask questions you have on your mind for your child, and the answers which I am giving are all based on my parenting experience. So it is not a replacement to any therapies you want to give to your child, but what best you can do at home. So a parent have asked about his or her 2-year-old child who is recently diagnosed with autism and is not having speech. So, for this, I have already answered it with a link of a video put on my YouTube channel wherein I have already answered the question. But this particular video is just to tell the parent that it's very, very important that whatever therapies you are choosing for your child right now, please make sure that the therapist is building a bond with your child. Building a bond means building up a relationship wherein they are having fun with each other, understanding each other, and child therapist is following the child's lead and supporting the child and not forcing the child to do something which they are not comfortable with. Autism doesn't mean that child should be forced to do something which a child is not feeling comfortable about. This will not benefit in any way, but it can create trauma for the child, which is a long term thing. So, this is my only request from the new parents, especially not just this particular parent, but any new parent who is listening this message. Please make sure that whoever you choose as a therapist, make sure that they spend enough time to build that bonding with the child wherein the child will enjoy their company. They will not see some work going on with them, but they are playing with them. I mean, the therapist and the child are playing with each other, but the goals are being met through play. It is very important because play is not something which can be separated from the child. Child means play. Child is born for playing. I mean, it is their right to play. Okay, so we cannot take it away from them. So, whatever therapist is designing, it should be around play. It's very, very important. And with this, all the best, and not to worry about anything. I know it is very difficult when a new diagnosis happens. There is a lot of confusion, but please take each day as a new day.